Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to give my first impression of Vicco Turmeric face wash. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, this is the tube of Vicco Turmeric face wash, and on the front side of the tube they have given the Vicco logo over here, and they have clearly mentioned turmeric cream with foam base. Then they have also written turmeric wash. Also, they have given an image of a girl who is washing her face. Then they have mentioned that ayurvedic medicine along with natural vegan, and they have mentioned that for external use only. On the top side they have given the manufacturing date, that is 2 2021, along with the batch number. Now let's see what is there on the red side. On the top side, they have given the MRP of this Vicco Turmeric face wash, that is rupees 23. Then again we have the Vicco logo over here along with the name turmeric. They have mentioned that it fights pimples and skin infections, clears pores and blackheads, accelerates process of natural renewal of skin, helps in healing of wounds, cuts and injuries. It contains extract of turmeric, curcuma longa, lean, rhizome powder 16%, excipients QS in a foam base. Then given the storage instructions. You need to keep it away from the direct sunlight. Just below that they have given the directions to use this Vicco Turmeric face wash. Wash thoroughly after use. Then we have the net weight of this Vicco Turmeric face wash, that is 15 grams, and they have given the expiry date, that is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. This product is manufactured by Vicco Laboratories in Mumbai. They have also given their website, that is viccolabs.com, and the address of their factory. And just below that we can see the barcode. Now let's see how this face wash looks from inside. As you guys can see, the face wash comes in yellow color liquid form. In order to use this face wash, first wash your face with water and then apply this face wash thoroughly on your face, and after few seconds again wash it with water properly. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. I will bring the review of this Vicco Turmeric face wash in some days. So please check for the notifications from our channel Trendy Unboxing to get the review of this. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community, and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.